What is up guys, welcome your faces back to a brand new video. Today we've got a few things in store. Straight away here we've got this Fiat Punto Grande. It's got an abarth engine in it though. We're going to do an oil change on that. We probably won't show that on camera because it's pretty straightforward anyway, but it's a really nice car. I'm going to quickly show you over this in a second. I've got a little soft spot for this and it sounds really nice as well. I've asked him if we can do a review on this at some point in the future, so we'll see what happens with that. So let's have a quick look at this. So it's gone for like the all white theme here. It does have the AirTech intercooler and everything else on it. I believe it's running about 170 brake on this. So it's really nice car. Really nice. Have a quick look round. It's really nice inside as well, carrying the white theme on. Looks really good. So, as I mentioned, we're going to do a few things in this video today. We're going to do an oil change on this as well. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Jackie boy. Jack's having fun on this oil and filter, aren't you? Yeah, they put this oil filter in the most awkward place, haven't they? Yeah. You have to take turbo pipe off as well, haven't you? Yeah. There's literally no room in that engine bay to get to it. In fact,
show people your face.
No, we're not showing people. I'll show them in a minute. Look, it's that.
You ain't even gonna see it.
No, it's literally there. So you've had to take all this bit off. But my glasses broke. So they've currently got wiper delete sealant over there, sat, and they're just drying. So we should be all good. But I can see little bits. So if I'm looking up there, don't laugh. Where's the camera? No, sorry. Yeah, don't laugh. I can still see. Hey, stop chucking giraffes at me.
Wait, stand there.
Why?
How many fingers?
2.
Why are you squinting?
Because I can't see shit. So we're going to get back to just doing this oil filter and this oil change. We may also be doing some brakes for this lad in the future as well, so we'll get to that in another video. Stop squinting at me, Jack. It's not my fault, I can't see, okay? Stop judging me. So while we wait for that oil to drain out, what we're going to do is just sniff test this insignia because it's not looking very good. As you can see right there. Careful, Jack. You want your arm in one piece.
It's not even hot.
I know it's not, but it's got pressure in there. So, my guess is exhaust gases. What do you think, Jack?
Broken.
We're about to find out though, aren't we?
Broken.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you want to explain what you're doing, Jack? That's not explaining.
Doing a sniff test.
Right, so how does it work?
You put this in there.
Yep.
And whilst the engine's running, you put it in the bottle.
Yep.
Squeeze that, sucks air through. And then if your head gasket's gone, this blue fluid will turn green.
So that's what we're going to try and find out now.
Yeah.
Let's go, and it's a really nice day today. For a change. So cool. Straight away. Look at that. That's green. So we turned ignition off now. You can see that there, guys. The green, it's gone from blue to the green really easily. The reason it wouldn't start as well is because there's no compression really to actually kick it in. So that's why it was struggling and then eventually it kicked in. But that there confirms head gasket. So you just seen there that the head gasket had gone on the insignia. So I've just gave him the bad news. I believe he wants us to fix it, so you may see that again in another video. So that's not the end that you see on that insignia. Unfortunately, it wasn't the way he wanted. He did try and do the coolant first and the pipe, which needed replacing anyway because it had the leak in it. But again, there's further problems, and you see in the engine as well, not starting up because there's not enough compression. So unfortunately, it turned green very fast, so again, that confirms it is head gasket. Alright, so oil change and oil filter done now. He's off. Let's have a listen to this because it sounds quite nice actually. The last clip you guys just saw was James leaving it in his punto abarth. Now, it's a different day because we had a few things that we needed to do, so we are going to finish the video, but we've got Jack's car. Yay!
Again.
So we're going to do a few little things on this. Issue we've got is door handle don't open from inside, so yeah, MOT failed as you saw earlier on the MOT checks into Jackie Boy, yes. So we need to fix it. Also is seat clip, which we'll show you now. You see there, it don't actually work, so we're going to go into that and see what the problem is there and what else we're doing on the car. We're not sure, but I'm sure there's something else we're going to do on this car. Also as well for you guys to look forward to, I'll just tell you now, we've got a really big problem with this car. Right here. We will explain that in another video, but for now, let's crack on with Jack's car.
I'm not impressed.
So door card needs to come off for this. Those of you that want to know, you're going to see this in real time right now. That comes straight off. Use a plastic removal tool if you need to. You also have to pull the switch up as well, and then once you've done that, you literally just unplug it from the bottom. Very simple, very straightforward to do. Very easy. And then also after that, you then use a plastic removal tool to remove the cap at the top.
Not me.
Yeah, you use the flathead. But then underneath that are the T20s under there.
25.
T25. You've got one underneath here, one just in here, I believe.
Yeah,
somewhere.
there's another one at the back.
There's one just in here, and then there's some here, and then you've also got some underneath. Some of the cars are missing them. I think mine's even missing one, to be fair.
Mine's not even missing one.
Mine is.
Mine's 11 years old now.
So he's going to remove these now quickly, get all these out. Once that's done, the door card literally just pulls from the bottom, lifts up. Once that is done, you obviously have to disconnect whatever wires is at the back as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that and then get back to you guys. Door card is now off. Problem is,
I'll talk about it.
Come on, let's show him. Come on, focus. It's snapped. Just there. Come on, focus, phone. There we go. It's snapped. Right there. So, it's a new handle for Jackie Boy, if we can get one.
New door card?
Or it's new door, yeah, because they are actually like bonded in. So we're going to have to get a new door card for Jack, unfortunately. But we may see if we can actually get a new handle and see if we can replace it. But I'm pretty sure it is a new door card on these.
I've just looked.
There's where it snaps. So this is your mechanism that connects. Usually, to disconnect it, you just pull that off there. Jack, just tap my screen to focus me, please. Thanking you. So this is the bit that usually connects to your door. And then obviously here you can see where it's snapped off, which is not good one bit. So we can't really fix that till we get a new door card. So let's move on to the seat. So with the seat issue, you can see here, it's not actually pulling it forward. So we followed the cable down around here, and you can actually see the cable moving when you pull it. See there? So it's not the cable going from here to here, which is kind of a bonus, but still it's a bit baffling because we need to figure out what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig a little deeper on this and find out what it actually is. Things developed very quickly with Jack. He got very frustrated because he couldn't get to the other side. So now said seat is now on the floor. Poor thing. But we had to get this out because you can't take this section off when it's inside because of the center console where the handbrake is. With the clip at the back, you've got two clips. You've got one that goes down this side of the VXR seat. You also have one that comes down this side of the VXR seat to open both things to help it tilt forward. And we've found the issue. You can see, ouch, I just literally legit stabbed myself. But, yes. But, shut up. Shut up. But you can see here, it's snapped. So this is why it's not opening. So the only solution to this is either get a new cable, which you can do because these backs do come off, but they're an awkward nightmare to get back in, aren't they? So with that, we're not sure what we're going to do yet. Well, we kind of are sure what we're going to do, but we can't give away too much in this video because that will give away future plans, won't it?
Yeah.
So we can't exactly really tell you, but that is going to get fixed in a certain way. But yeah, we'll save that for another video.
You'll enjoy it.
So yes, you will enjoy it. It will be something really unexpected. Again, remembering where this channel came from, pretty much.
That's the clue.
Yeah, that is the clue. So, without further ado, we're going to put this back in the car. Also, those of you that are actually wondering, Jack, do you want to quickly tell them how to get this seat out?
Anger, patience,
And frustration.
and a hammer.
You've basically got some bolts here, 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 and here. You also have to disconnect this from the airbag. Make sure you disconnect your battery as well, because it does have an airbag in the seat, doesn't it?
Yes.
So make sure you disconnect that and wait a little bit.
10 minutes.
And then there's going to be no surcharge after that. What are you looking at me for like that?
Squinty eye.
So yeah, just make sure you disconnect your battery. Make sure you're waiting a bit before you do that. And we are going to put this back on. And Jack's literally... Joe, what are you doing? Smoking is bad, children. Don't do it.
Don't smoke. It's bad for you.
Don't put the fag back in your mouth. The seat's now back in the VXR. Again, we can't really touch on why we're going to fix it and how we're going to fix it. You'll have to wait and see for that, which is going to be a really good video. You guys will really enjoy it. And also, what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at the scenic. There's a funny story behind that. Well, not funny for the owner. It's really not. But we'll explain that in the next video or a video next week. Again, we are uploading Monday to Friday, 6 PM. Do bonus time lapses on weekends if we've got it. There may be one, there may not be. You guys voted that you prefer 10 AM on the weekends rather than 6 PM, so we're going to change the upload time to that. So also as well, in the next couple of weeks, we are thinking of hosting a car meet up at this place. So make sure you're watching every single video to find out more details on that. It will be on a weekend, either a Saturday or a Sunday, but we're not sure exactly yet as well. Date, again, not sure yet. But just make sure you're watching all the videos to stay updated. Like, comment and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.